How to make a producer tag with AI. So a good website that I found is Producer Tag Maker. First thing that we need to do is sign up. You can either drop in a dry vocal and let the AI do everything for you, or we can just type in what we want the AI to say, or you can record right now in the browser. Let's create dry TTS, and now we can generate 21 versions. And here you can just kind of listen to them and pick whichever one you want.
Dennis on the beat. Dennis on the beat. Dennis on the beat.
So here you have a bunch more of these effects that you can just kind of listen around to and see which one fits you. And of course you can change the voice as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.